Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential problem, which is 16 raised to power x. This is equal to x to the power of 8. So what is the value of x, given that x is not equal to 0? So let's provide the solution from here. We have 16 raised to the power of x. This is equal to x to the power of 8. So the first step is to put variable x on one side and the constant terms on the other side. So to do this, let's first of all eliminate this power x here by multiplying both sides by 1 over x. This is equal to x raised to the power 8 multiplied by 1 over x. So let's simplify here. So this is 16. This is equal to x to the power of 8 raised to the power 1 over x. The next step from here, x to the power 8 raised to the power of 1 over x. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power m, which we can express as a raised to the power m raised to the power of n. Let's apply this exponent property so that now here we have 16. This is equal to x to the power of 1 over x raised to the power 8. The next step is to eliminate this 8, so we multiply by 1 over 8 on both sides. So here we have 16 raised to the power 1 over 8. So let's simplify here. So this is to say that x raised to the power 1 over x, this is equal to 16 raised to the power 1 over 8. We can express 16 basically as 2 to the power of 4. So therefore, we have x to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 4 raised to the power 1 over 8. So let's simplify here. So by 4, 1, 8 divided by 4, this is 2. So we have that x raised to the power of 1 over x. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. So from here, if you check, the base here and the exponent is the same. Base and the exponent is the same. So this implies that x is equal to the base here, which is 2, and the exponent is 2. So this x implies that x is equal to 2. So this is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that x equal to 2 satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that 16 raised to the power of x, this is equal to x to the power of 8. So let's substitute the value of x here, which is 2, so that we have 16 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 8. In this case, we can express 16 as 2 to the power of 4. Substituting this here, we have 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 8. Now, you find that 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power m, which you can express as a raised to the power n times m. Applying this exponent property from here, this implies we have 2 to the power of 4 times 2. This is equal to 2 raised to the power of 8. So here we have on the left hand side, we have 2 raised to the power of 4 times 2. This is equal to 8, and this is equal to 2 to the power of 8. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to 2, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.